Hi. Today I will show you how to replace old and damaged Razer Kraken 7.1 Chroma earpads cushion very easily. As you can see, these earcups have a horrible look, they look worse than my grandmother's cheeks. But don't be sad, there is no need to buy new headsets, you can buy Razer Kraken ear cushion replacements online. A link to new replacement earpads will be in the video description. Once you've got the new earpads, replacing them is easy. Just turn the old earpad anti-clockwise and it will be possible to remove it. Wipe off any excess dirt and put the new earpad cushion on top, turning it clockwise. The seam on the earpad should be down. If you can't put the pad on, try other side pad. Once you have replaced one ear cushion, do the same with the other. Done. It was so easy, looks like new. I'll show you what to do with the old headband cushion in the next video. I wish you successful gaming matches. Good luck.